We're underneath this kind of like a UFO like observation deck, and here's this elevator right here. The cab could easily made rounded, but they didn't. You can see what's the inside look like. The question is, will this thing open? We'll find out right now. Okay, good. This is a place called Elevator at the Elevator Bridge. Believe it or not. Up to 2. I guess we can take a little bit of a look out here. You can tell this elevator, obviously they just modded this. Let's look out this way. I might have to take some pics up here, so I might have to stop this video for a bit. There's Long Beach Convention Center is down this way. Hyatt is over here. Wow. Nice view. There's Atlanta's house just sat. Alright, I'm gonna take some pics and I'll be back. Here, downtown's down this way. The sun's blocking the view. Well, let's go down. Oh yeah, you can see the outline from the old call button. Yeah, this, like I said, this elevator could easily have rounded cabs, but they didn't. Hope no one's in there. Oh, yep, no one's in there. Let's take a look at the cab before we go. I think this used to be Haughton though. And at one point it was an HT Express mod. Now it's something else. I don't know who. This shape is very funky looking shape. Looks really odd. You can tell that how awkward the shape is. And that too. Modded with Innovation. I forget, it's not Bruiser though, it's something else. Switch the button go out. We'll send it up to 2 to take a look at the elevator. See the doors. Well, that was the first take of this elevator at the Hyatt / Convention Center bridge. I like to call it the UFO observation deck. But I did a second take, but which is actually a pretty bad one, which is like a month after I did the first one, because the elevator smelled pretty bad. It smelled like someone took a piss in there. So here's a little mini compilation of me complaining of that smell. Oh, it smells bad in here. God, yeah, it smells bad. Ooh, I guess I'm not gonna take this ride again. Yeah, I'm out of here. It smelled bad. Alright, enough of me complaining of a horrible smell. But however, this elevator is a holeless hydraulic model because we're actually right next to the ocean. So here's a clip of showing you of the elevator being parked on the 2nd floor, and it's holeless. If we could focus, just hold this. Yep, hold this hydraulic. And it's in the elevator just literally smelled like pee. Alright, I had to throw in my one last complaining of the smell of the elevator. And and as of President's Day weekend, I was going to do a 2022 update on this elevator, and so far the elevator is broken, and they call it the birdcage elevator, which is not a birdcage, it's a Scenic elevator. And it was scheduled for repairs from from November 15th of 2021 to January 31st, 2022, and so far nothing has done. It just sat there, and the window's been tagged, and who knows when that elevator is going to be open. Hopefully very soon if they're able to do it. So I guess all I have to say is that's it.